So it's December 1st, and today's blend is candy cane. I was really curious about this blend. It's a black tea. It has candy cane pieces in it, peppermint leaves, and some other flavors. So I picked my cozy mug today. Here in the south, the temperature dropped drastically overnight. I am so cold, you guys, so I'm really needing a cup of tea to warm me up. I was really curious whether or not this tea would be more like an ordinary peppermint, or if the black tea would mellow it out, give it a little bit of smoothness, and make it a little bit more like a candy cane. So when I opened it up, it really did smell like candy cane. And I could smell the black tea in there as well. This is approximately how much is in the serving size. It is just enough for 1 cup. I wanted to show you guys the candy cane bits in there. They didn't show up very well, but that little red fleck, that's one of them. Now this particular tea blend said to steep for 3 minutes. I ended up going just a little bit over. I set a timer, but I didn't get back to it in time, so it was probably 3.5 minutes. But thankfully it did not taste oversteeped. It actually was quite nice, so maybe it needed that little bit extra time to get the flavors to meld together really well. I decided I wanted to add a little bit of sugar and some cream to my tea. The sugar to kind of enhance the candy cane flavor just a little bit, and the cream to sort of blend the black tea and the peppermint perhaps just a little bit more than they already were as it was. Ultimately, I probably could have used a little bit less sugar and it would have been fine, but the cream did exactly what I hoped for. The black tea was so smooth, the peppermint wasn't too strong, and it had a nice flavor of candy cane. This is a tea I would drink again. It's just a little bit more grown-up version of your regular peppermint tea. So that's it, guys. That's day number 1 of my community box. Join me tomorrow for day number 2, and remember, drink your tea while it's hot because you don't know what your day's gonna bring.